Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to navigate around the tophat website. So you need to type in tophat.com right here. That's our website's name. And then when you log into website, make sure that you remember your login ID and password. Make sure that also choose the college, St. Paul College, Minnesota, right here before you put your name down. And then you log in and you will see the Top Hat website. You can see that you got two areas, the working area, which is the white area here, and you also see bunch of menu in this column. So, if you happen to see a lot of stuff right in the working area, you make sure you close it. For example, if I click this one, I will see here, and if I click this one, I see more than one question show up. But, to make it less crowded, I just close it. Click on close to close so you can just open one question at a time. So first, let me tell you about the area here first. And under your course, you have the content area. Some of you have a telephone, mobile phone. You can click here, download the app. But anyway, so you just click on the content area. You will see different submenu here. So let's close everything first. You see an arrow down here. That means when I click that one, it closed that folder. So let's say all these questions are in folder 2.3. So I just want to close it one. I just close it all this one first. So make sure that you have just a folder right now. So every week I will post this week announcement so you can see when's the due date and so on and so forth. Like chapter 1 homework should be due by September 9. And if you after you read, you can close it so you have a working area. Now you need to do two things. Number one is in class activities, and also homework that you do on your own at home. So I will assign you to do in class activity when you in class, but right now if you're at home, I want you to do on chapter 2 homework. So in chapter 2 homework, you got 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So all these folder need to be done within 2 weeks. So I would concentrate on 2.1 to 2.3 this week. So when you open the folder, you click on the arrow to the left right here, and you see how many questions are this? Four questions right here. So let's click number 1, and you read this for data set, so on and so forth. Here the question, and you can put your answer right there. So when you're done, you click submit, and then you can change your question next day if you think that you did it wrong. So you have an option to change many times as you wish. All right. So I just close right now, and if you skip number 1, you want to do number 6, for example. Here, you look at all, read the question closely, and then sometimes you have a little attachment right here. So that means some graphic illustration, like in this question you have the graphic display, so you follow that one and type in your answer and so on and so forth. All right. Sometimes you might need to attach the canvas. For example, if you want to write something in canvas, whatever you can illustrate your answer by drawing something here, and then you can just submit, and the canvas will be attached to your answer. Okay, so let's close everything right here. So after you've done number 1, number 2, number 3, number 6, and you go to folder number 2. So when you're done folder, you can go back and keep going. So I expect you finish 6 folder within 2 weeks time frame. Okay, and then when you're done with chapter, you can take the quiz too. So the quiz is right here, and you got, I believe you got 10 questions or 15 questions. Certain assignment I assign either 10 or 15. So you click on that one and you just the multiple choice question. You do the same thing. You choose the correct one, and then you submit. And then you can go back and change later on. But when I close all the assignment or the quizzes, you will be no longer to get access because it goes straight to the grade book, and you will see your answer right here or this one, whether you do wrong or right. But it has to be graded first before you can view your question either right or wrong. Okay, so you can go back to content, and sometimes you need to read the material first. Let's close everything first. Let's close our homework. All right, so you can see what do I have over here. You got chapter 2 in class, chapter homework, chapter 1 in class, chapter 1 homework. Make sure you finish your homework at home and you do in-class activity with me in class. But when you have free time, you click on the textbook, so you will read the material. You can read, and you can go back and forth, read it first before you do assignment. And some of the questions that I took straight from the book from this area. So if you do well on the example, you will be able to do well on your quiz. Okay, so read it first. Sometime you might have a question that I have it in here too, and we can do that in class. You click and you submit the question that attached in the lesson. Okay, so I click close, and then and sometimes you have a tournament, which is I will assign you with the compete with the other student, but we can deal that in class when we come to that point. Okay, so basically you just click on homework for now, and finish that one. And when you see that green one, that means it's open for homework, and this is for review. So that's about it. And then if you have a question, just email me, but we're gonna go together in class as well. All right, have a good one. Bye bye.